Good morning, students. As you know, chapter number 21, the early phase of the nationalist movement is going on. Today we are going to discuss about the impact of First World War. In the previous chapter we have studied about two world wars. The First World War broke out in 1914. Since India was still under British control, many Indian soldiers were sent to the war to fight on behalf of Britain. A lot of Indians lost their lives during the First World War. Instead of being sympathetic towards Indian soldiers, the British started levying heavy taxes on the Indians. Britain had incurred heavy losses during the First World War and they introduced new taxes to recover their losses. The coercive policies of the British only strengthened the cause of India's freedom, which became a reality under the leadership of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Student, in this chapter we have studied about the Indian National Congress. After that, we have studied two movements, Swadeshi and boycott movements. So, this chapter has completed. Now, get ready for solve the book exercise. First, we will discuss about the blanks. The Indian National Congress was formed in, 1885. Social evils like sati, child marriage, and female dash existed in the Indian society during the 19th century. Female infanticide. 3. Dash believed in peaceful methods for making demands to British government. Yes, moderates. There were two groups in Indian National Congress, moderates and radicals. In 1905, Lord Dash announced the partition of Bengal. Yes, Lord Curzon. 5. Dash and Dash. Boycott movements were method of protest against the British government. Swadeshi and boycott movements. Now we are going to solve the match. First, founder of the Indian National Congress. Yes, A.O. Hume. He was retired British officer. Partition of Bengal. It is matched with 1905. Reunification of Bengal. Yes, 1911. Indian National Congress formed. Yes, 1885. Prominent radical leaders Lal, Bal and Paul. State whether the following statements are true or false. India was a colony of the British East India Company. It is false. The British used the policy of divide and rule to exploit India. Yes, it is true. The radicals believed in making requests to the British government. No, it is false. The moderate believes in making requests to the British government. The first meeting of Indian National Congress was held at Bombay. Yes, it is true. Dadabhai Naoroji founded the Indian National Congress. No, it is false. A.O. Hume founded the Indian National Congress. Understand, student? You have to write down this book exercise on your SST notebook. So listen and watch this video very carefully. Thank you.